hood on, so you couldn't really see it. Hold on, the bus passing by. You couldn't really see it, so now it's installed and I'm about to show you, reveal it. See how this looks. I think it looks pretty good. Now, one thing I said in the video last night, I talked about the gaps, but after looking at pictures from my original hood, those gaps are actually supposed to be like that. This one seems a little bit off, but it's all good. I'm not really worried about it. I don't drive it that much. This is flush. This pops up a little bit. It has a lip. I'll just adjust the little padding knob that's under the hood. So got a vent in the scoop and 3 vents on the side. Now that's different from the hoods you usually see. They usually have the vents right here instead of on the bottom. So this is kind of a original. I haven't seen nobody else with this type hood with the vents flat instead of being right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crank it up, pull it out, and then show you how it looks. I'm gonna do this real quick because I got somewhere to be. Pull it out, we're gonna snap some pictures, and then call it a day. All right, so pop that hood, the same thing. Man, that looks good. And I'm supposed to be getting that wrapped in black, but now I'm contemplating because that hood, that carbon fiber goes good with the red. I previously had a carbon fiber spoiler and I didn't like the way it looked. And my splitter is carbon fiber and I wrapped it in black. So that's what I plan on doing with the hood. Pop that. So under here, as you can see, the plates, I can take the plates off so that it can breathe. That's the whole point of me getting this style hood. Another plate, because I want to be able to hear the turbo, the cold air intake. And then of course the scoop right here, that's not vented, which I'm surprised. Excuse me, but all it took, again, you got your hinge and you have 4 bolts, 2 on each side, and I just removed the 2 bolts. So on the OEM hood, it's opposite. It has a bolt and then a nut that you have to take off. So the bolt is inside the hood, but with the aftermarket, it's reverse. The nut is inside the hood and the bolt, you screw it in. So it wasn't too bad. It took me like a minute to figure it out, and then it kind of clicked. So yeah, that's my carbon fiber hood install. How does it look? Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think.